Do you find task 2 difficult? Don't worry. You're not alone. Many test takers struggle with this part too. But here's the good news. Once you understand the structure, it's actually very easy to write. In this video, I'll show you a simple template that helps you write clear, logical, and well organized opinion essays, perfect for CLB 7 or 8. Let's take a look at the template first, and then we'll apply it to a real CELPIP question. You can divide your Task 2 writing into 4 steps: the introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion. Let's start with step 1, introduction. In this step, you need to clearly state your opinion and give 2 short reasons. For example, in my opinion, working from home is better than working in an office. I believe this because it saves time and helps people have a better work-life balance. That's all you need for the first step, just 2 simple and clear sentences. Now, let's move on to step 2, body paragraph 1. In this part, you need to explain your first reason in more detail. Start with the word firstly to make it clear that you're moving to your first main idea. Then, give one example or specific detail to support your reason. Here's an example. Firstly, working from home saves a lot of time. For example, people don't have to spend hours commuting every day. This shows that they can use their time more efficiently. Keep your sentences short and easy to follow, about 2 or 3 per paragraph. Remember, your goal here is clarity, not complexity. Make sure each sentence connects naturally to your main idea. Next, let's move on to step 3, body paragraph 2. In this part, you'll explain your second reason. Use a transition word like secondly or another reason is that to show the examiner that you're moving to a new point. Then add one simple example or supporting detail to make your reason clear. Let's look at a sample. Secondly, working from home gives people more flexibility. For instance, they can take short breaks when they need to, which helps them stay focused and productive. Therefore, this kind of work reduces stress and improves overall performance. Keep this part simple and logical: one idea, one example, one short conclusion. That's all you need for step 3. Finally, let's move on to step 4, conclusion. This is where you wrap up your essay. You don't need to add any new ideas here. Just restate your opinion in a simple and confident way. Start with in conclusion and summarize your main point. Here's an example. In conclusion, I strongly believe that working from home has more advantages than working in an office. Thank you for taking the time to read my opinion. That's it. Your essay is complete. As long as you follow these 4 steps, your writing will look clear, organized, and ready for a CLB 7 or 8 score. Now that we've learned the template, let's apply it to a real CELPIP writing task 2 question. Let's read it together. You live in a small town of 10,000 people. A large green area in the center of town is undeveloped. The city has sent out an opinion survey to see what residents would like to have built in that area. Choose the option that you prefer. Why do you prefer your choice? Explain the reasons for your choice. Write about 150 to 200 words. Option A, shopping complex. This shopping mall would include restaurants, a large supermarket, and a movie theater. Option B, recreational park. This park would include a sports complex, a large green area, and a small petting zoo. Okay, now that we've read the question, let's use our template to write the answer step by step. In my opinion, option B, the recreational park, would be a better choice for our town. I believe this because it promotes health, encourages outdoor activities, and provides a safe place for families to spend quality time together. Firstly, a park gives residents more opportunities to exercise and relax throughout the week. For example, people can walk, jog, or play sports in the green area instead of staying indoors. This shows that building a recreational park would help everyone live a healthier and more active lifestyle, which can also reduce stress and improve mental well being. Secondly, a park is great for families with children. For instance, the petting zoo and playground would make weekends more enjoyable and give parents a safe, convenient place to spend time with their kids. Therefore, it would make our community more family friendly, lively, and connected, while also attracting more visitors to the area. In conclusion, I strongly believe that building a recreational park will benefit everyone in the community. Thank you for taking the time to read my opinion. That was our first example answer for CELPIP writing task 2. This response is about 170 words, which is perfect for the CELPIP writing task 2 range. Now, let's move on to another real practice question and apply the same template again. Here's the next one. We'll read it together. It says childcare survey. You work in a very big office. There is a popular and cheap restaurant in the building. The boss is thinking of removing the restaurant and replacing it with a childcare facility for the working parents in the office. You have been asked to respond to an opinion survey. Option A, I think we should keep the restaurant. Option B, I think we should replace the restaurant with a childcare facility. Now that we've read the question, let's write our answer using the same template as before. In my opinion, option B, replacing the restaurant with a childcare facility, would be a better choice for our office. I believe this because it would support working parents and make our workplace more productive and family friendly. Firstly, a childcare facility would help employees focus better on their work. For example, parents would no longer need to rush to pick up their children or worry about finding babysitters. This shows that providing childcare in the office can reduce stress and allow employees to manage their time more efficiently. Secondly, having a childcare center would improve employee satisfaction and retention. For instance, parents would feel more supported by the company and less likely to leave for other jobs. Therefore, it would create a more positive and loyal work environment, benefiting both the staff and the company. In conclusion, I strongly believe that building a childcare facility is a better option than keeping the restaurant, as it helps employees and the organization as a whole. Thank you for taking the time to read my opinion. So, what do you think? Do you feel more confident about writing task 2 now? Remember, once you understand the template and practice a few times, you'll be able to write any task 2 opinion essay clearly and naturally, just like this. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.